Hey guys, this is Johnlerie Serrano. Subscribe and join me to my adventure. So as you can see guys, we are here right now at Villaggio. I don't know the right pronunciation. Comment down below. I want to share you guys kung ano ang mga bagay na dinadala ko when I'm going to travel or vacation or rest or chill or so whatever. So as you can see guys, I have my backpack, then I have a small luggage here, and I will show you what's inside my bags. So let's begin with this one, my backpack. So let's start in this small pocket. On the side, I think there's nothing in this. Oh, there's here. First thing guys, nail cutter on the other side here. In case of emergency, you know, for our nails. On this first packet here, then it's the mouse and of course charger, nothing more. Next, on the second level of the packet, sanitizer, hard drive, my passport, paper of course, big candy, ball pen, keys. Okay, let's go to the main packet. Tcharam! A small packet. Okay, so what's inside? So I have this guys, organizer bag. Tcharam! Of course, I bring my earbuds, charger for iPhone and Android, and batteries for my camera. So I have two batteries, two chargers, and my earbuds in this organizer bag. Next, another phone, my small perfume guys from my collection, a pearl. Maybe you're thinking why I bring this purple something, because I'm gonna shoot some product guys, so that's why I bring this one for the background, you know. So next guys, of course another charger for my battery, my sunglass, my favorite sunglass guys, I always wear this one. And the final item is the laptop. Yeah, this is my laptop guys. Meron pa ba? Actually, there's a secret pocket here, pero wala na siya. So that's all guys for my backpack. So that's all guys for my backpack. So let's clear this out guys for our next luggage. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, our next one is my small luggage here. Yeah, it's a kind of heavy, but I always use this one guys when I have shoot in Dubai, if I'm going to travel, vacation. Oh, I use this one when I went to Philippines. That's what I'm talking about. So the first thing guys came out is my hairbrush, my vitamins guys, and my Gans vitamins. So as you can see here, okay, my organizer bag or my vanity bag guys. I love this bag because I can put a lot of things inside. I don't know why. So on this packet guys, I have my, oh, it's another sunglass from Shein. Of course there's another side here. Oh, I have my extra face mask guys in case, of course. My workout watch, sport watch given by Angel last Christmas party. Sanitizer of course. Fresh wipes. Iniisip nyo, akala nyo ano ba? Fresh wipes. Next, on the main, as you can see guys, oh, these are the products that we're going to shoot later guys. That's why I bring that purple something like that. So from Lucious Skin, ayan. So I have my skincare routine here with the vanishing face cream and the sunblock. My LSO green tea toner and the revitalizing face cream. May Vaseline for my lips para avoid tayo sa dry lips. Of course, my original deodorant, favorite Brut. That's my favorite, guys, Brut for my of course, Nivea for my skin, guys, lotion. I bring my own cream soap, guys, for my hair. Good thing, guys, I'm not using shampoo anymore for about 3 months. I don't know why. I love cream soap, conditioner. My sunblock. In case, guys, we're going to swim. And of course, here I bring my own toothpaste, guys. My close up, my shave. What they call this? My shaver. My shaving, my shaver, my toothbrush, and my toothpaste. Oh, I have an organizer again here, guys. This one contains medicines, guys. Panadol, another Panadol, white flour, guys. White flour, my savior kapag magkaroon ako ng headache. And this one, guys, is I have cotton buds, I have shirt cotton for face, and I have my toothpick gloss. So nilagay ko lang dito sa ziplock kasi I don't want to bring the whole thing kasi ang super laki ng cotton buds ng cotton nito, and then the toothpick, and ayun lang, wala na medicines in case no headache. And oh, last one. Last one, guys, I have this concealer. My savior din kasi I have, oh yan, hindi nyo nakikita. Meron tayong dry pimple there, and I have black eye bags. So concealer is my savior, guys. So that's it for this small bag. Super dami na nalagay, di ba? So I love this one. So I got this one from Brands for Less in Abu Dhabi Mall, Abu Dhabi. Okay, next. This one, guys, is my foods. So let's, ilalas na lang natin. Let's put it here. So what's more, guys? Of course, I have this, guys. I have my underwear, guys. I have 2 extra underwear. I have my socks. I have my gloves. Gym, because I'm going to gym. I have my hair band for skincare or something routine I'm going to use. I have my boxer. Yes, I wear rip and then boxer. I have my extra pants here. My t-shirt, no, gym shirt. I have my perfume. Another perfume. Extra bag for the maduduming damit, guys. Swimming short wear. Gym short wear. Sando gym. Ayan, gym. Sanitizer. It's another sanitizer. Guys, diba it's empty na? Pero no. There's a lot. There's more, guys. From this side naman. Ayan. Sharon! I have my organizer bag shoes. So this one, guys, is my rubber shoes. And this one, my slipper. I will show you. So I'm gonna show you guys the rubber shoes. Nagagamitin natin sa gym. So yun, guys. We're going to use this one. Mamaya pag mag-gym tayo. And the slippers, guys, mamaya pag mag-swimming. Ayun. Oh, thank you, Ate Michelle, for this work and stuff. Yeah. Gift, guys. birthday gifts sa akin nung birthday ko. Siyempre, there's more, diba? Sabi ko kanina ilalas natin yung food. So, I bring my own food and snack, guys, kasi kung nanonood ako ng vlogs, mahilig ako sa chichirya, Doritos. I love Doritos, guys. I have half rice, stick o. Panta is life, guys. Kapag nitra-travel ako, Panta talaga yung nagpapaboost ng energy ko. I don't know why. And of course, except sa Panta, Gatorade. Yeah. Gatorade. It's another chip. Piatos. Oh, it's almond nuts chocolate. Yeah, almond nuts chocolate. I bring my fruits as well, guys, for my breakfast. Tomorrow, it's a grapes and apple. I have mixed nuts. Yeah, mixed nuts, guys. Cashew nuts and peanuts. And last but not the least is the Pringles. No more. That's it. So these all things, guys, are inside my small luggage. Ayan. Diba nag-cashew siya? So, nandito yung small ref, guys. So, ilagay na natin yung mga dapat natin ilagay. It's empty. So, it's empty. Lagyan natin siya ng laman. So, I want cold water, guys. So, I will put this water inside. My grapes, guys. My apple. Let's put it in here. My Gatorade. My Fanta, guys. Let's put it there. And my chocolate. That's all. Chain. So now, guys, I'm going to fix my dress, my shorts in the cabinet. I'm going to put my shoes here, sleeper, my gym wear, our swimwear, my extra shirt, pants, our underwear boxers here. Super cozy ko, guys. Pag yun sa gamit kasi I want everything is organized. And last, guys, our gym gloves. And of course, extra socks. Yeah. Ayan. Everything is ready. So here, I think that's good for now.